let's go to our speaking practice. Read the sentences aloud. Okay, especially color red. Okay, now let's go.
Fun, windy, like wind. Kites need wind, fly, wind, fun, run, wind, fun, great.
Okay, now how about the sentences? Okay, this one.
It's fun.
Okay, next.
It's windy today.
Correct. This one.
I like the wind.
Okay, next. How about this one?
Kites need wind to fly.
Okay, very good. This one.
Wind is also fun to run in.
Okay, to run in. How about this one?
The wind in fall is great.
Yes, very good.